Hello, millionaires! My name is Deep, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that could completely change the way you think about money, and if you understand this one idea, it could help you build a much stronger financial future. So stick around until the end, and don't forget to subscribe, because you don't want to miss simple money lessons that could make a real difference in your life. Now imagine waking up tomorrow morning, grabbing your phone, and seeing that you've made money while you were asleep. No overtime, no late night shifts, no working extra hours. Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. Millions of people earn money every single day, even while they're sleeping. The difference is simple. They stopped relying only on their time and started making their money work for them. Most people earn money one way. They go to work, they spend 8 or 9 hours on the job, and at the end of the week, they get a paycheck. But the moment they stop working, the income stops too. This is called active income, and there's nothing wrong with it, but it has one big limitation. You only have 24 hours in a day. You can't work every hour, which means there's a limit to how much you can earn with your time alone. Now imagine something different. Imagine your money working even when you aren't. Instead of sitting in a bank account doing almost nothing, your money is invested in businesses through stocks, low-cost index funds, or companies that pay dividends. Those investments don't sleep. They keep working day and night. While you're at work, while you're watching TV, even while you're sleeping. And over time, they have the potential to grow through the power of compound growth. Here's a simple example. Let's say you invest a little money every single month. Not thousands of dollars, just a consistent amount. Month after month, year after year. As your investments grow, they can begin generating returns. And those returns can generate even more returns. That's the power of compounding. Your money starts building more money. The biggest mistake most people make is waiting. They think, I'll start investing when I make more money. But the truth is, time is one of the most powerful tools an investor has. Starting earlier gives your money more time to grow. Even small amounts invested consistently can make a big difference over the long term. Making money while you sleep isn't magic. It isn't a secret trick, and it definitely isn't about getting rich overnight.